Our second guest I'd like to introduce is Colonel David
Doing more with less is a go-to military adage, but if you ask the Tampa community, they might say something along the lines of, let us give you more to do more, especially when it comes to supporting MacDill families.
Our service members volunteer, but their families don't, and especially these children. And we are very fortunate to be in this Tampa community where the support is greater than anywhere else I have ever been.
And the support is more than a vote of confidence, it's a helping hand.
With the local partnerships that we have in the Tampa community and within Florida, we're able to say, we know someone that can help you. And if I don't have that resource immediately, I know somebody who can get you that resource. And just to be able to fall back on a community member, that's what makes America strong, is being able to say we work as a team, all of us together.
Working together with a shared goal in mind.
We realize that we have an obligation to leave this city and to leave this world in better shape than it was given to us.
When it comes to family care, the line between air base and city is nearly transparent, affording everyone in the Tampa community the help they deserve. Senior Airman Laura Beckley, MacDill Air Force Base, Florida.